Hi there everyone, today we're going to look at how to use PowerPoint to create instructional videos the easy and cheap and fast way. So here we have 3 slides I have created and we're going to start creating a video. So what we go there, we click on the record button, and once you click on the record button you get these ribbons. We start from the beginning and you enter into this screen mode, which shows you all the various functions. Make sure the camera is on, the microphone is to the microphone that you want to use. You can set the settings up here. See, the microphone is my condenser microphone and my camera is my Lumina camera. And so this is the correct settings, and once I'm ready, I just press the record button. It gives you a 3, 2, 1. Look at the microphone and start the lecture. In this lecture, we're going to create the video, and for each slide we will ensure there's a video. Once you have stopped narrating on a slide, give at least a 2-second break for it before you move to the next slide. Otherwise you may find that it's difficult. Make sure your audio clip fits this slide in completeness, because you can then use each slide to create different form of assets. So this becomes a scene in storyboards, in video production. So each slide is a scene. So we move on to the next slide and we carry on our conversation. The narration is carried. Notice I did not stop because this is a demo. So between slides, please stop at least 2 seconds before we move to the next slide. I will stop. And here we are in the next slide. You continue with the conversation, and once you finish your narration, you're ready to stop. You click the red button and it stops. So now we have 3 narration with our video in each of the slides. Now before you don't export this, what I want you to do is go to edit. So when you edit, now you see in your slide here that you have the videos. So in the first slide, I'm going to keep my video there in that position, and what I'm going to do is, since it's a little dark, I'm going to click on video format on the top of the ribbon, go to corrections, and I'm going to brighten it up. And I'm not quite happy with that maybe I will try to make it a little bit brighter. Yes, that's much better. And so for the second video, I don't want so I just move my face out of it. And in the third, I may want to make it small, so I'm going to make that small so it doesn't crowd the words. And the same thing I'm going to do is to format that video and make it a little brighter, and this is the level that I chose. I'm happy with that. So the video lecture is ready. So there are 3 slides, 3 scenes, each with an audio and a video of yourself speaking. So now we need to save this. So I'm going to save it as a PowerPoint PPTX, give it a name, and I'm going to put sample 2, because there must be a sample 1 somewhere, and that's done. So this is saved as a PowerPoint presentation. So you could present this and there'll be audio there. But now we want to create a video. We go back, now we save a copy, and in the same place that you have saved, instead of PowerPoint X, you change it to MPEG 4 and you save it, and it's done. So now you have a video. Notice at the bottom here, it is rendering the video. This takes a little bit of time because it's got audio, video, and a lot of data that needs to be compressed to a video. And my RAM is 32GB RAM. If you would 8, it'll take much longer. So it's good to have a large RAM. In my laptop, I have 64GB RAM because I do a lot of video production. Now click here to view the video and just say yes. Look at the microphone and start the lecture. In this lecture, we're going to create the video. So you can see that the video has been created. I won't go through it again. And so that, my friends, is how you create a video. I hope you found that useful.